Here is a little walk around video of my 1986 Toyota Land Cruiser HJ60. This is a diesel model here in Canada. This is just going on the market now. The body is in good shape. I've had collector's plates on it for a few years here. Though the body is not perfect, there is a little chewiness down the very bottom there. You know, tiny little bubbling through here, and these are, you know, the rockers have been replaced. These are rock sliders out of steel tubing there, not the factory metal. Quickly inside the vehicle, the carpet could use a bit of cleaning. She's got a few little stains on it and stuff. Dash has a couple little cracks. But the front window is good. There are some rock chips that have been repaired, but there are no cracks. I believe these seats are out of some other Toyota. I'm not sure what model. There is one little cigarette burn there in that seat. Back seat, good shape. You know, maybe some little water stains on it there. Roof liner's good. Door panels are all in decent shape. Glass is good throughout. Back hatch and stuff, you know, these aren't rusty. These are in good shape, other than, well, say that little crack down there. You know, a few stains on the carpet back here. She's got some 6x9s. The stereo does work. Coming back around this side, you see we got a little bit in here and a little bubble showing through there. You know, a little bit up here that's been kind of painted over. Again, another look at the interior from this side. We're missing the little speaker cover on here, and well, I guess I can put a clip in there and secure that for you. Yeah, I'll fire it up here so you can hear it run. Glow plugs, they do cycle. There you go. Okay. It does have a brand new starter on it, and some fresh paint on the motor there. I will have this in the description, but if you haven't read that yet, this is not the original body to this chassis. This is a lower mileage chassis that I've put this collector's plate body on. I think the chassis has about 370 kilometers on it, and the body has, I think it's 544 or something like that. So I did paint the motor and the whole frame. It's hard to see, but oh, here, I'll shut the motor off so we can look at that a little better. The whole frame has been blasted and coated with PLR 15 all the way back. She does have air brakes in the rear, because these are the original springs and they're pretty bagged, but she does ride pretty nice. Though you may want to put some new ones in there at some point. If you plan on doing a lot of off-roading with it, she's good for cruising the roadways right now, which is what this one is being used for. We don't do a lot of wheeling with this collector's plate rig. There you can see, you can even see the VIN number on that frame, which the frame VIN number does not match this body. But hey, if you can still read the VIN, that says something about the condition of that frame, right? So yeah, that's more or less it. Any questions, just let me know. If you want to see specific pictures of certain things, let me know. I am willing to facilitate shipping and getting this thing across the border. The spare tire carrier does go up and down. The last Land Cruiser I sold went all the way to Florida, and I'm up here in Western Canada, so it just shows you I'm willing to work with anybody if they got the cash. That's all, guys.